Hi guys, here I am at Hobby Lobby. Let's take a look at some of their wall decor. Okay, so here we have a dinosaur crossing sign. Isn't that adorable? Now, I don't know where. Let me see. The price is probably on the back here. Let me see. That is $17.99 for this wall decor. And then here is a hook, like a dinosaur foot, $8.99. That's so cute. And then here, guys, is a big dinosaur wall decor. And then here says boys only. Isn't that adorable? So this, guys, is $4.99. Then they have this wall decor. Look at the T-Rex one. And then that's the dino tracks. That's adorable. Look at that one, says raw. This one says Triceratops. I don't know if I said that right. Let the world hear your roar. I like that. And then some dinosaurs along the bottom, and then this one. Then you are our greatest adventure. That's pretty neat, guys. And then on this side it says play, boys only. Look at this canvas truck here, work truck. I don't see a price on those, guys, but look how nice they are. They have that dump truck. Okay, and then they have these. So these are really nice, guys. And on this side too, play date. I like these wall hangings, nap time in progress, the police car, and look at this work truck. Those are so cute, guys. And then look at these. So this is a sloth pillow for $17.99, and this is a fox canvas for $14.99, and there's a little baby tiger for $14.99, and here's the baby elephant for $14.99. Now this, guys, isn't this neat, this ruler? So let me see if I can see the price. I can't see the price, guys, but I think that's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Can mark it as they grow. Then this is 1 Samuel 1:27. For this child I have prayed. Oh, that is so nice. And then this one is Colossians 3:12. You are chosen, holy, and dearly loved. I love that. And then here's the llama hook. And then look at this. These are so cute. So these are, nope, I don't see a price, guys. What's going on here? I don't know. So this one says stay wild, sweet child. And then you have the bear on the top there. And welcome to my crib. Isn't that cute? This one here says sweet. This one says smile. That one says sweet dreams. That one says play. And I'm loving this toy right here. That's $15.99. And here's a wall plate. This one says baby dreaming. And that one is $11.99, guys. So if we come on this side, look at the flowers. Oh my God. Rise and shine, pretty girl. Isn't that beautiful? And look at the crown. Guys, they have such gorgeous stuff here. So lovely, precious, one of a kind, beautiful, sweet, happy, intelligent, wonderful, amazing. No boys allowed except dad. Princess of everything. And here's a smaller crown, and here's princess. Then is a little princess sleeps here. I found my prince, his name is Daddy.
Happening.
I love this. Okay, so then you have this big, the little rose is, let me see, $3.99. That's for that little one. Then this big one is $6.99. Then look at this. The princess is in, that's $5.99. Isn't that nice? Here's a little shelf and stuff with the animals, and I love that. Don't grow up, it's a trap. It sure is. And here it is in the white, guys, the flowers in the white. Isn't that beautiful? I'm my mommy's world and my daddy's girl. Isn't that nice? That is so sweet. So you have some cloud shells, which I think I saw that at Target. I don't know. So then you have these wooden blocks, and then these blocks here, guys, is $7.99. So the cloud is $7.99. So that's what that must be. And then they have the star hook. Those are $6.99. Then they have this sign here. I love you more than all the stars in the sky. I love that. Then you have the hook here, the cloud hook. And look at this one with the eyelashes. They're so sweet. And this is with the eyes open. This is with the eyes closed. That's so cute. Okay, I think those are $9.99, guys. Then you have this. She leaves a little sparkle wherever she goes. I love that. Then here's the giraffe and the little monkey and the llama and the elephant. Little baby caves, hanging mums. Is that not adorable? And look at the colors. They're $13.99. And this gold one and the silver, look, and the whites. Look at the colors, guys. So guys, let me show you this because they're working in this area and I have to leave. So here's a painting, a canvas painting, but I don't see a price. And here's another one. So these right here are $34.99. Okay, and then you have, then you have these pineapples for $14.99 and this globe. Isn't that gorgeous? So these are really nice. These are wooden, $14.99. I love these shapes too. This is a nice shape too. This is $19.99. Okay, and then we have these lamps down here. This says blessed, and I'm loving these beads, guys. Look at these beads. These beads are $15.99. And that blessed sign is $14.99. So I'm just going to scan this stuff through. Okay. My favorite love story is ours. Darling, you belong here. Okay, guys, thank you for coming with me to Hobby Lobby to check out some of their home decor. Look at this. It says Paris. Look at that dress. Oh, my goodness. I love this place. I can get lost in here all day. I am a child of God. Awesome. And that one says Paris. Thank you for coming with me to Hobby Lobby to check out some of their home decor, guys. And I will see you in the next video. Look, the lemon mat. Bye.